Hi guys, how you doing? This is Ramiz here. I'm a Pakistani British and I'm speaking with you from my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is gonna be very interesting again because I will guide you guys that how I'm making quick money using Uber, using Bolt, and cab services. Right. So first of all, I'll let you know that my main purpose to make these vlogs is to assist those people who wants to join this cab services occupation, or to assist those people and help those people who are not able to take very good money at home. Obviously, experience matters. Some people are new in this field and they find it difficult to make money, and they are putting a lot of hours, then they are able to carry a bit of money. All right, so let me tell you about myself, that how I am doing this job. Basically, when I'm out of the job, I make sure that I'm away from home, or like I'm doing the jobs about I'm out of home for 12 hours, and out of these 12 hours I'm doing 10 hours driving time, and 2 hours I'm off the job, like I'm taking break, I'm sitting somewhere in a mall or in McDonald's or somewhere. Right, so I'm out of 12 hours whenever I do the cab services job. This is my full-time occupation. Right. So if you guys haven't seen the past vlogs, the previous vlogs which I have made are very helpful as well. Please see it at my YouTube channel, or I'll drop the links in the description. So right, so today's topic is that how to make quick money uh, via using Uber, Bolt, or how to make quick money with the cab services. Right, so first of all, you guys should make a strategy as I am doing. So whatever I'm gonna tell you, that's exactly what I'm doing in my real life, and I follow it strictly, so that I could make good money and take good money in less time. So first of all, make a strategy that which 12 hours you guys can be out of home. For me, the most convenient time is 9:10 p.m. till 9:10 a.m. in the morning. So I'm out of home 12 hours, and out of these 12 hours I'm 2 hours on break. So 10 hour is my usually the driving time. Right, so let's come to the second point is that whenever it's rush hours, like let's say when I'm doing the night jobs, and I have to face the rush hours which are 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., try to stay away from zone 1 and zone 2. So by staying away from zone 1 and 2, you are saving 15 pounds of congestion charges, plus you are getting rid of this heavy traffic, which is always so much traffic in zone 1 and zone 2. So this is the second thing which I had to tell you. And thirdly, right, so third thing is stay in zone 1 and 2 when it is not rush hours and you don't have to pay congestion charges, such as from 9 p.m. till 6 a.m. I'm mostly around or in zone 1 and zone 2. That makes like 7-8 hours of total, okay, driving time I'm doing around zone 1 and zone 2. So the thing is, I have make a vlog which is explaining about how to stay in zone 1 or around zone 2. So that is a very nice, or like very good vlog you can have a look at, and you can understand how I managed to stay. So basically Uber gives you one option, that you can go to the area preference and turn on zone 1 and start getting just the zone 1 jobs. However, this zone 1 preference most of time doesn't work, because there are not much customers who are looking just to travel in zone 1. So don't like waste your time in that case. So look the vlog which I have made for you guys to how to stay in zone 1 and 2. So stay in zone 1. I'm staying in zone 1 and 2 or around, and from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning, right? So when this is, you guys understand this one, yeah, this thing. So carrying on the discussion, the another thing is, the next point which I want to tell you is that do the shortest journeys. Shortest means 3 miles, 4 miles maximum, okay? Doing the short journeys will help you to, these short journeys should be around zone 1 and 2, and you will be able to make double the money as compared to the other zones. Let's say if you do 2 or 3 miles of job in zone 1 and 2, you get paid double then the other zones, which is zone 3 to zone 6, okay? So try to do shortest journeys in zone 1 and 2, which is 3 miles, 4 mile, maximum 1 mile to 4 miles, all right? And yeah, the next point I'm gonna tell you is that if you want to do the longest journeys, you guys can do it, you should do it, but in case any highway or any motorways involved in the route, okay? Such as let's say you are near A406 and you got a ride, and you have to take the long distance route which is involving A406 completely, 10 mile, 7 mile. Let's just do it because it's gonna be quick. If you go on A406, you can have the longest journey and in the very less time. So such kind of journey worth it. But if you ask me to do a journey from, let's say, East London or West London to Croydon, I personally won't take it. I won't do it. The main reason is it involves so many traffic lights, so many humps, so many humps and so many busy areas. I will never do it because I have experienced it and I won't do it. So guys, do the longest journey which involves any highway, such as A40, such as A406, such as M25 is a motorway. So yeah, do the longest journeys. Try to take the journeys which take you through the highways, motorways, etc. Okay. So all right. So yeah, the furthermore I'll tell you, wisely take all the promotions which Uber give you on the weekends mostly. Sometimes they are giving you 4 promotions, 6 promotions. So they offer you, the promotions are about like, if you do 3 consecutive trips, and you will get paid £15 extra, something like that. These are the promotions by Uber. Sometimes they are offering £15 for 3 journeys, and sometimes they are offering £16, £18, like that. So again, repeating, if you try to stay around or in zone 1 and 2, you can avail in the same shift. If Uber offer you 6 promotions, you can easily manage 4 promotions, and you will be making extra 60 quid. So to avail the promotions, I will make another vlog that how you guys can promote, get the promotions of these types easily, okay, and how to manage these promotions and make extra 50-60 quids, okay? So right, so another step, the thing in the last, I'll tell you that if you guys get an airport ride and you want to take it, let's take it. But when you reach there and there are so many drivers ahead in the queue, don't waste your time. In case you want to rest, then go ahead with a long parking time and then wait for the ride. Otherwise, just move on, okay? Yeah, these are the tricks I have explained to you. So consider on it and try to make your strategy. These are all the tricks which are working very good for me, and I hope when you follow these things, and it will help you a lot. May you have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, just hit like and subscribe to the channel so that you will keep getting more updates from me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.